When we talk about the energy transition, the first things that come to mind for many people are solar and wind power. But the future of energy cannot be separated from an even more critical role: energy storage systems. Today, we'll take a look at the MPack 233A, an industrial-grade energy storage core. The MPack 233A is an all-in-one, liquid-cooled energy storage solution from Renon Power, with all key system modules packaged in a single cabinet built for commercial and industrial scenarios. It not only integrates a high-density battery system, but is also equipped with components such as EMS module, main control module, PCS module, and liquid cooling module. It is truly plug-and-play, flexible expansion, and rapid deployment. The EMS module is the intelligent core of MPack 233A. It supports operation strategies for multiple scenarios and can automatically switch modes according to actual working conditions to achieve optimal energy scheduling. Through load prioritization control, the system can intelligently allocate power resources to ensure that critical loads are not interrupted, improving overall energy efficiency. With the Renon Cloud platform, users can remotely monitor the system status, receive early warning information, and complete firmware upgrade and O&M management online. At the same time, the EMS can be flexibly connected to the PV system, power grid, energy storage, and power consumption loads to build an intelligent energy management system that operates synergistically with light storage network load. In practical applications, MPack 233A supports flexible deployment modes. Single cabinet operation is suitable for small and medium-sized scenarios such as office buildings, server rooms, charging piles, etc. 1 to 5 parallel deployments can meet the demand for larger capacity, which is widely used in manufacturing factories, agricultural bases, and industrial parks. Of course, all systems are dispatched by the EMS platform, realizing peak shaving and valley filling, dynamic load balancing, and remote intelligent management. Currently, the MPack 233A has been widely deployed in a number of projects in the US, Europe, and Japan, bringing users reliable energy efficiency and cost optimization. Want to learn more about MPack 233A solutions? Feel free to follow us and leave a comment about the application scenarios you'd like to see.